Moto Limbo World Championships first annual is happening today. The rules are if you hit the pole or you fall, you're out. And the stakes are, we have a really long sand track. It's about 105 degrees out right now. The first person that hits the pole and is out has to run 3 laps. The second is 2 laps. The last is 1 lap, and the winner is 0 laps.
He's just so tiny. He's gonna kick their butt. He's so little. That was pretty low. I think these guys, his students, are so fast. They're gonna teach him a lesson. He's got the sauce. He's saucy. No head till in. That was full. He was committed right there. He was low. These guys are gonna be dragging bars in a second.
All right, we're going down.
We're going down. Just a few. Tyler told me too. I feel like we should go down a few more. It's 105 degrees today, people. That's probably good.
You're going down how many notches?
Tyler told me 2, but we're doing 3.
We're going 3.
Full send. He almost nicked it there. He almost nicked it. It's getting close. Should we do 2 or 3?
Let's do 2.
Look at how low. It's like waist high. That's pretty low.
That was...
We're getting close. So smooth. Time to lower again. Let's do, we'll do 2 this time. Ooh, look at how low that is. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh, that's pretty freaking low. That's literally just enough. Like, people, they're gonna nick their elbow. That's low. Let's go, Tyler! I think he's good. Bumped it, just barely with his elbow. So we have 1 out right now.
That's as low as it goes.
All right, home slice.
I was first loser.
You got 3 laps.
Hey Carson. That's gonna be a hard 3 laps. I don't think I've ran in over a month.
Over a month?
It's only 125 degrees right now.
Hey, pushing 130.
I'm sitting here at my heart rate's at 134, just sitting. the best thing that could have happened to us, but it probably pulled the pole out. All right, it's down to me and Therese. How do you feel about that?
I messed up. I didn't even lean. I just
Dude, actually your arm didn't even hit it. Your nipple flew over and contacted it on the way through. It was super weird.
Yeah.
Come on, nipples. Now you gotta go run 2 laps with Dom.
No.
Go get your run on. I wonder if Dom's okay.
Yeah, where's Dom?
How's it going, dude?
Good.
Yeah?
We're going great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nice. 8:30 pace.
Nah, this is like 15. I don't know about 8:30.
All right, well, you got to turn it up, man.
Dom, last time I see him, he was way over on the other side of the
He's
track,
still running.
barely picking his feet up.
We're going down.
Just one. Oh gosh, it's pretty low.
He's out.
Check out how low this is. Come here. Oh my gosh, that's low. That's low. That's one of me crouched down like this. That's pretty low.
All right, so it nicked the elbow, so we got to go again.
Yep. We're going again. Round 2. Same height.
I think I was safe.
He
Are
hit
you
it.
sure? Oh my gosh, it looked like he was safe. I got so excited. I thought you were gonna do it.
I thought I had that.
Oh,
right,
I think you would have had it. I don't think you actually touched it. You just couldn't power out.
All right,
Sudden death.
last one.
Rippers, a ton of people are hitting me up about what's going to be in my upcoming Wheelie Masterclass 2.0. And if you want a taste of what's going to be there, make sure you sign up for my 6-part video series. All you have to do is hit the description below, find it in the pinned comment.
Sudden death, yep. What do you think?
I think he did.
Yeah.
He got it.
I think Tyler got it.
Dang clutch, dude.
Dude, you know what? I'm going to win in streak. AJ last week, all the kiddos this week. You just can't beat that feeling. To never train. We've been out there just taking names, right?
Slaying.
Slaying.